Today is more than just a reunion. It is a homecoming of hearts, a celebration of milestones, and a bridge between the past, the present, and the future.
Nakita po natin na ang ganda-ganda na po ng CFCST. Ibang-iba din talaga during the term of an engineer.
So tayo po ngayon ang nangunguna pagdating sa larangan ng education.
Sana ito yung pagkakataon nyo na mas lalong lumawak ang inyong edukasyon. You have the more privileges na maging successful kayo in the future.
It is with my pride, joy, and deep gratitude that I welcome each one of you to the momentous celebration, the 58th Foundation Anniversary of the Cotabato Foundation College of Science and Technology.
Without CFCST, hindi ko po mararating ang narating ko ngayon dahil dito po ako nagsimula ng aking values formation. Ibibigay po natin ang ating commitment sa CFCST.
Kaya sa lahat ng mga estudyante nandito ngayon, huwag niyong gawing hadlang ang kahirapan para hindi ninyo makamit yung minimithi ninyong pangarap at tagumpay para sa buhay.
Budget constraints, global uncertainties, and evolving educational demands will challenge us. But I firmly believe that with unity, determination, and unwavering belief in our mission, we will not merely survive, we will thrive.
Let this celebration remind us that our achievements are not only personal triumphs, but also contributions to the reputation and spirit of our beloved school.
May this day inspire us to dream bigger and work harder and serve with even great passion toward the highest level of institutional excellence. Mabuhay ang CFCST, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Wishing the CFCST to continue what you are doing, innovating, educating our students para po sa kinabukasan sa bawat estudyante na pumapasok sa CFCST.
Together, let us achieve. Together, let us make CFCST a college of excellence, service, and hope. Let us continue to educate, innovate, and sustain advancing global goals towards a sustainable future.